These days, everyone is concerned about the environment. So I was surprised recently when the trash men left our liquid bleach bottles on the front lawn. Turns out they are not recyclable. As a result, over 200 million bleach bottles go into landfills every single year. Liquid bleach consumes our natural resources in ways that you may not have thought about. Did you know it takes millions of gallons of oil and water to make those bottles? Plus, at 8 pounds per gallon, they are heavy. The fuel, wood pallets, and cardboard needed to package and transport all those big, heavy bottles of bleach cost us and the environment a lot. I was shocked, so my conscience told me to look for an alternative. I found Clear On bleach tablets at the store. They come in this small 6-ounce bottle of 32 tablets. It's the equivalent of 2 gallons of liquid bleach. Please give Clear On bleach tablets a try. Tell your neighbors too. Small bottle, longer life, less waste. The environment will thank you.